I don't know if you guys can hear it or not, but the cicadas are in full force. At the beginning of the week, they were climbing the trees and shedding their skins, and now they are swarming. Anytime you bump a tree or shake a tree or something, you guys know how it goes. It's just a dust of cicadas coming off of it. The birds there are eating themselves sick. And we picked this day to clear out one of the first flower beds you see when you come in. We removed probably 40 trees or so, varying in size. We still have a few I got to chainsaw out. I didn't do those yet. We're using the four-wheeler and tractor mainly. And I just got done pulling the vines out of the trees. And one of them was big around as my wrist. And the tractor had to give it a little bit of persuasion, but it came out. I didn't video that for obvious reasons. You know, my mom watches this channel. I ain't trying to put any more stress on her heart than I already do. But anyhow, I'll spin this around here and show you what it looks like. So out there's the entrance and exit, and this was the area here. It was it looked a lot like this one, pretty thick. Now it's just the trees and whatnot. I got the grater blade. I got to knock some humps of dirt down. I'm gonna run the bush hog through it, or the brush cutter, or whatever you call it. Churn or mulch this little stuff up that's sitting down on the ground, and then we're gonna spray it real good. But it's a pretty good sized flower bed, and this coming week I think they're coming to put the water and the electric in, and the water is going to come from through those trees over there, wrap around the edge, come through here. There'll be a yard hydrant here with an outlet, and then up there where that white sign is where our big sign goes. But there'll be a few water hydrants in here and some outlets, so we can put lights on the trees, I guess, and water plants or whatever. But this is the exit. It turns to the left right here and goes back out. This is the entrance. But when you come in from the road, you know, you'll see the barn there. And where that mountain of gravel is part of the parking lot. And then this will be the flower bed here. Shrubs, I don't know what we're putting in it yet, but if you got a plant you'd like to see us put in, put a comment down below. We'll check it out.